Every good business was started with the intention to do something different. But every great business was started with the intention to do something amazing for their customer. It's a small nuance, but one that has a big impact. And whilst there are thousands of things that go into making a business successful, it's the moment of service that matters. It's the moment when all the hard work pays off. It's when you win or lose in the eyes of your customer. Key to success is the way your business engages customers, empowers its people, and leverages its assets, providing an experience that delights your customers, from the time you motivate a sale to them wanting to buy again, from enabling your staff to be in the right place at the right time to work effectively before and after delivery, from efficiently managing your supply chain and optimizing how you work your assets. This is the DNA of your business. Stitching these elements together creates value and enables you to deliver on your promises. And that applies across all industries, regardless if you're a manufacturer, energy supplier, builder, or aviator. The moment of service matters. Centering your business on the moment of service tells your customers you care. It enables you to differentiate. It enables your business to grow and thrive. What's your moment of service?